Hi everyone, this is Knowledge Topper, and in this video we will see another very important job description, and that is job description of a landscaper. Okay, basically this job description of a landscaper, it is not only important from the perspective of employer or a company, but it is also very important from the perspective of employees as well, because in this job description we have included many important roles and responsibilities of a landscaper that helps potential candidates to work on important requirements in order to meet the specific requirement of this particular job. Okay, so every job description, it starts with an introductory paragraph which is called as a job summary paragraph, and generally it is a brief paragraph, and it states about a particular job title firstly, for which the particular company is looking to hire its potential candidate. In our scenario, it is for a landscaper. Okay, then in this paragraph, very important key roles and responsibilities are mentioned by the company, as well as some important skills as well in order to find its potential candidate. Okay, basically this paragraph is a summary of this whole job description, and it includes all the very important and key information about the job of a landscaper. Okay, so as you can see, I have created this particular job description sample for you guys. Firstly, I will read the job summary paragraph, then you will see more detailed roles and responsibilities, as well as the requirement section at the end of this video. Okay, so as written on your screen, we are searching for a talented and dedicated landscaper to join our team. You will perform a range of general lawn maintenance duties, including applying fertilizers, maintaining the landscape design, removing weeds and dead plants, and supervising repairs as well. As the landscaper, you will ensure the growth and vibrancy of our plants, flowers, lawn and garden structures. The ideal candidate will be creative with excellent problem solving and organizational skills. So this is our job summary paragraph. After the job summary section, we have the detailed roles and responsibilities section. It includes, more detailed roles and responsibilities that must matches with the skills of a potential candidate. All these roles and responsibilities are important, and generally, these are part of every job description of a landscaper. But because of the reason that a lot of companies also have different requirements, so they can include and exclude, this particular roles and responsibilities section with as per their own requirement as well. Okay. If I can read for you guys all these roles and responsibilities, as a landscaper, your roles and responsibilities include apply pesticides to remove harmful insects such as mosquitoes, wasps, and ticks, conduct general maintenance duties such as cleaning walkways, fixing fountains, and other duties, apply fertilizer to help enhance growth, take out weeds and dead plants, trim overgrown limbs, hedges, and leaves, uphold the landscaping design and ensure plant growth, plant new decorative bushes, flowers, plants, and shrubs, supervise maintenance repairs to equipment, landscape structures, outdoor furniture, and walkways. Advise clients on how to look after the landscape. Coordinate with garden designers and landscape architects to ensure the garden meets the client's expectations. So all these are the roles and responsibilities of a landscaper. After this particular section, we have the requirement, or you can say qualification section. This section includes the education skills and sometimes experience requirement that must include in a potential candidate in order to qualify for a job of a landscaper. Okay. As a landscaper, you must have a high school diploma or equivalent qualification. You must have a minimum of 2 years experience in a landscaping or groundskeeping role. You must be able to operate maintenance equipment including lawn mowers, leaf blowers, and hedge trimmers. Strong knowledge of pest management and basic lawn maintenance. High attention to detail with excellent organizational skills. Good stamina and physical health. So all these are the requirements for a job of a landscaper. And at the end, our job description ends with a call to action paragraph that states how a potential candidate can apply for a particular job, or in easy words you can say that how they approach to an HR department to get more information about this particular job. Okay, so basically a medium of contact is written in this section by a company. And finally, our job description is ended here. I hope you like today's video on a job description of a landscaper. If you like this video, thumbs up. Do appreciate our hard work in creating this video and sample for you by subscribing our channel Knowledge Shopper, as well as like our Facebook page, and do join our Facebook group as well, where you find a lot of good material not just related to these topics but from many other career oriented videos as well. So this is it for this video. Thank you so much everyone. It's time to say bye bye.